Hello, this is Matteo, Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Today's November the 1st, 2018, and the Tech Travel Geeks are going to unbox the Google Pixel 3 XL. This is a retail device we've purchased for personal use, and we had to pre-order it by a question of almost 30 days. Anyway, the Google Pixel 3 XL is the flagship of Google's devices for 2018, and let's see what it has to offer. The packaging is pretty straightforward. It's a cardboard box with the image of a pixel on one side, simple sides, image of what the device looks like from the side, and on the back they're using the Team Pixel hashtag. This is the same as the hashtag as the one they were using at the end of 2017 with the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. And on the bottom there's a label with a few details and so forth. Now the packaging is quite thoughtful. There's a simple strip to pull to get the box open, and I think there's one on the other side as well, and the top slides down. Or does it? No, there's an extra label here. There we go. So I'm going to slide the box off, and there we have it. This year you're faced with the back of the device first. We'll have a look at that in a moment. I'll put this to one side. And then in the cardboard box, take the lid off. This is a series of cards which tells you how to put a SIM card into the device, a quick start guide, a Google and Team Pixel sticker. This will be particularly useful for laptops and tablets. And under that we have what looks like earphones. And they're packaged. Ooh, so these are the new Pixel buds. They are Type-C buds, which are compatible with the Google Assistant, and they are provided in the box with the smartphone. That's something you don't see often nowadays, a set of headphones in the box. And inside the box there is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. That's so that you can use older headphones that you still use the 3.5mm audio standard, and a USB Type-C to USB-A adapter. That's so that you can either connect USB on-the-go devices or reverse charge other devices, or more importantly, set up your phone by plugging another phone into it, such as an iPhone or another Android phone. This will enable you to easily set up and copy all your data over. And then this is the UK travel adapter with USB Type-C output. It looks very similar to the one supplied with the Google Pixel 2 XL, but it is different. And this specific one is an output of 5 volt at 3 amp or 9 volt at 2 amp. So interesting solution there, but this is all great. Now I ordered this device from the 3 network and also signed up to an all-you-can-eat data plan. It came with a 3 SIM card. I'm going to take that SIM card out and put it in my device. Now the Google Pixel 3 XL takes a nano SIM. I'm going to need the SIM adapter tool, SIM ejector tray tool. I'm going to take the plastic off the side. Ooh. Oh dear. So the pre-applied screen protector comes off as part of the packaging. That's a shame. I do like having screen protectors on my devices. And this year the SIM tray Don't know if you can see that. Let's adjust the lighting a bit. SIM tray is on the bottom of the device near the USB Type-C port. There it goes. Feels like a metal tray. And I shall take my SIM card out. As I said, it's nano SIM. And the SIM card fits in the SIM tray quite snugly. And there it is, clicked in. Now you'll see at the back, this is the two-tone glass. It's shiny glass, glossy glass at the top, and sand or soft touch glass at the back. It's actually softer than I was expecting it to be. Very nice. You can see the Google logo here, the fingerprint scanner in the middle of the device, where ergonomically it's very convenient. You can see the flash, the laser autofocus tooling, and the camera of the Pixel 3 XL. To the side there is a volume rocker and a power button, and on the front you can just make out those two selfie cameras. But let's switch. On the left hand side there's nothing, at the top there's nothing. Let's switch it on and see what it looks like. And switching the screen on suddenly puts that bathtub-like notch into the forefront. Ooh, this is a new animation for the switch on of the device. It's a very clear screen, very vibrant. There's also vision accessibility settings at the get-go. Magnification, font size, display size, and select to speak and talk back. Essentially all the accessibility functions of the Android operating system are put on display at the front, which is great to see. Good to see Google thinking about accessibility from the very setup of the device. And this will involve a setup of the device. We'll give you some more first impressions. My personal feel of the device, it's very solid, very well balanced. I'd say it has a bit more heft to it than the Pixel 2 XL. I'll give you a bit of a side comparison. My Pixel 2 XL now has a skin on it, but it seems to have a longer screen, so a longer diagonal screen with a notch compared to the Pixel 2. My Pixel 2 has a skin on it. This is an extreme skin on it. So very similar ergonomically. It is noticeably slimmer when put side by side. It's a slightly slimmer device, so should be more manageable with one hand. So as I said, that is the unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL for Tech Travel Geeks. We will be back with more video content and impressions on techtravelgeeks.com. If you liked our video and our other videos, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll get not only unboxings, reviews, sample videos taken from devices, but also the Tech Travel Geeks podcast. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember to subscribe. Goodbye.